stuck in my own bed, trapped in these cardboard walls. I see all these faces, and they don't see me at all. I miss the old days, where time didn't disappear. We talk about our future, and how we get out of here. Sick of feeling like I'm dead, sick of fighting my eyelids, sick of hearing these sirens. All I want is some silence. Shh. If I'm the life of the party, why do I stay home? Why do I stay home? If everyone says they love me, why do I feel alone? As dead is my phone. I don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie here in this hell. I don't wanna try, don't wanna try, don't wanna try all by myself. Cause if I'm the life of the party, why do I stay home? Why do I stay home? I'm ghost of my hometown, where everything stayed the same. Was king of the playground, but now I just waste my days. Worry about income, when everyone seems so paid. Is this the outcome of not trying to act my age? Sick of feeling like I'm dead, sick of fighting my eyelids, sick of hearing these sirens. All I want is some silence. Shh. If I'm the life of the party, why do I stay home? Why do I stay home? If everyone says they love me, why do I feel alone? As dead is my phone. I don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie here in this hell. I don't wanna try, don't wanna try, don't wanna try all by myself. Cause if I'm the life of the party, why do I stay home? Why do I stay home? Gloomy, I'ma live my life feeling gloomy. It's better than feeling nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. Gloomy, I'ma live my life feeling gloomy. It's better than feeling nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. If I'm the life of the party, why do I stay home? Why do I stay home? If everyone says they love me, why do I feel alone? As dead is my phone. I don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie, don't wanna lie here in this hell. I don't wanna try, don't wanna try, don't wanna try all by myself. Cause if I'm the life of the party, why do I stay home? Why do I stay home?
I'm out of my head, out of my mind, oh why? If you let me, I'll be out of my dress and into your arms tonight. Yeah, I'm lost without it, feels like I'm always waiting. I need you to come get me out of my head and into your arms tonight, tonight.
Yeah, I don't mean to make you wait, just the pressure's been getting heavy. I know if I fuck us up, we'll be overdone, you'll forget me, forget me. I'm feeling bad that I act this way cause you let me. They call me king, but I know my queen will be there to check me. Last year, was running around 45th looking for Soho. Last night was riding down Rodeo looking for NoHo. It's crazy what can change in a year. Think that you know they'll go back and forth like a yo-yo. They live their life for the photos and see me, I'm acting solo cause I'm afraid to commit. Now can you tell me how I'm different than him? And him, yeah, I know I'm always questioning things. Like girl, would you say that love cannot be found inside a vow or a ring? She laughs and says only material things, those are material things. Imagine buying all my trust with a ring. Imagine spending all my love on a fling. Got a thing for you. If I had the talent you had, I probably would sing for you like
I'm out of my head, out of my mind, oh why? If you let me, I'll be out of my dress and into your arms tonight. Yeah, I'm lost without it, feels like I'm always waiting. I need you to come get me out
been searching to find myself and not get too lost in the lust. I heard once that you could try but can't fill from an empty cup, that's no lie. And all I ever say is how I need time. If it was up to you now, you would be mine. I'm on a roll more than I'm home, and still I find it's only you on my mind. The last 3 were Gemini, I take that shit as a sign. It's funny, you can't buy time with your money. And you love going to the beach, whether it's cloudy or sunny. And you love drinking all your wine until it hurts in your tummy. You call me honey, I'm tipsy, and really all I want is for you to love me. Flashbacks of back roads, driving back to my side of state. I know I need to tell you I care before it's too late. Before someone steps to the plate, before you decide not to wait, before you decide not to chase, till you call me up just to say
I'm out of my head, out of my mind. If you let